The ability to customize and have exactly what we want in our first home was a huge factor in deciding.
We're actually first-time home buyers, so we really wanted to experience that whole thing.
Having to actually walk through what would be rooms rather than just seeing kind of the dirt or the foundation, it hit you in that moment.
A lot of stuff is included in the home, which is awesome because we didn't want that stress of having to nitpick every little detail. I think that was probably the summation of the experience.
It was incredibly streamlined. They had every step laid out for you.
My favorite space in the house is the kitchen. The way it's set up, the way it's laid out, the amount of counter space. I cook a lot, and I have never had this much counter space. I've never had this much hardware.
We haven't used the outdoor one yet, but the indoor one is something that we didn't think we really needed or wanted, but have used it frequently. The cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. You wouldn't think you needed that many cabinets, but it's nice to be able to tuck the seasonal stuff away and not have to worry about it. Tabor was the first builder we looked at, and we kind of shopped around, but the moment we realized the different features that Tabor included, there was no way we were going to buy with anyone else.